Alright, today I'm going to take a look at this Harbor Freight Maddox combustion leak tester tool. I had to get some fluid for it as well. I'm going to test this radiator here and see if there's anything on this engine that might have a problem with the head gasket. So we're going to go ahead and start with that. Alright, so it's saying in the instructions to take this ball out and fill it up to this line with this test fluid, and then use it to suck gases out of here and make sure that the fluid doesn't turn a different color. So I'm gonna fill it up and see what happens. So I'm just gonna pour it in there until it gets to the mark. So that should be enough. And then it says to put the ball back on like this. So I guess it's when you squeeze it, it sucks air in from the bottom. And when it turns colors, that means that there's combustion gases getting in it, in the radiator here.
So we already have bubbling in there as well.
Alright, so from what I can see here, based on what the manual is saying that if the test fluid turns yellow in gas engines or green in diesel, which this is diesel, then that means that there's a combustion leak. That fluid does not look blue. It looks like it is a green tint to me, compared to the fluid here on the left. So based on the fact that it does look green, I am assuming that yes, the engine does have a blown head gasket. So that gets me a little bit closer to my diagnosis for this engine, because I mean, it's definitely not blue. It looks much more greener than the fluid on the left. So I'm thinking that's what's going on. This is probably just a blown head gasket. So now that I know that, I can go ahead and start tearing down the head and start working on that part, knowing that it's likely what's going on. So yep, this kit did work, and I like that it came in a case so I can easily put it back in my drawer when I'm ready to use it again. But yep, this is it. This is looks like this is gonna be what I need to make a determination if that head was bad, if the head and head gasket's bad or not.